Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach Coulomb's law of magnetism. According to Coulomb's law, the force acting between the two magnetic poles is directly proportional to the product of their pole strength, and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. According to Coulomb's law, the force acting between the two magnetic poles is directly proportional to the product of their pole strength, and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let us consider M1 and M2, two magnetic poles of pole strength, and distance between two poles is small r. Let the two magnetic poles of pole strength M1 and M2 are placed at a separation small r. The force acting between them is F directly proportional M1 M2, F inversely proportional 1 upon r square. Combining above law, F directly proportional M1 M2 upon r square, F equal to K M1 M2 upon r square. Equation number 1, where K is proportionally constant. In SI system, K equal to mu naught upon 4 pi, where mu naught is absolute permeability. Putting the value of K in equation first, F equal to mu naught upon 4 pi M1 M2 upon r square Newton. F equal to mu naught upon 4 pi numerical value 10 to the power of minus 7 into M1 M2 upon r square Newton. In CGS system, K equal to 1, F equal to M1 M2 upon r square dyne. Mu naught is absolute permeability. SI unit of mu naught is Newton per ampere square. Newton means that's why dimensional formula. MLT minus 2, ampere square means A square, ML square T minus 2, A minus 2. Mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Unit magnetic pole. If F equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton, M1 equal to M2 equal to small m, R equal to 1 meter. Putting the value of this equation, F equal to 10 to the power of minus 7, M1 M2 upon R square. F place पर 10 to the power of minus 7 equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. M1 M2 means M into M upon 1 square. 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of minus 7 cancel. 1 equal to M square. M equal to plus minus 1. Definition of unit pole. If two similar poles are kept 1 meter apart in vacuum and repel each other by a force of 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton, then the poles are called unit pole. Thank you.